What's up, YouTube world? I'm going to be filming a bike check today for the KIB crew channel, and yeah, so let's do this. I got Sobrosa Nostra 2 frame in trans gold. It's pretty solid. I like it a lot. Coming up here, I got Odyssey lumberjack bars, 9-inch rise, 29 wide. Sunday Garrett Reeves grips. Don't recommend them, they wear down pretty fast. A fit stem, Odyssey R32 forks. I got stolen mob cranks, Shadow half-link chain, and a fit sprocket. Odyssey twisted pedals, Aloha's. It's pretty nice. Profile bottom bracket. I got Animal Broadway seat, looks kind of funny. Two Shadow Conspiracy Little Ones pegs and a We the People peg. I'm running 3 pegs right now. For the front wheel, I have the Primo N4 flangeless hub laced to a G Sport birdcage rim, and an Odyssey Chase Hawk tire, 2.4 wide. And then in the back, I have the Primo Remix laced to a G Sport birdcage and a Chase Hawk tire. That's my bike. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it.